Hello everyone! Enthusiastic. Every recommendation you'll hear in this video comes from specialized technicians at this appliance repair shop with a lot of experience. So let's solve this issue together. Every time a customer comes in saying, "The washing machine started vibrating a lot and suddenly F6E3 appeared on the display." Curious? We immediately know that something is failing in the communication between the motor and the control board. In our shop, we explain that the machine activates this code to protect the motor from major damage, which is why the washer stops on its own. On the other hand, some customers mention everything seemed normal, but the error came back after a few minutes. This tells us that the motor or control module connectors could be dirty or loose. The shop technicians first check every connection, clean and tighten everything, because even a slightly loose contact can cause F6E3 to appear without any real damage. Likewise, another common cause is the motor or the sensor that measures its speed. Shop technicians check the motor's continuity, its resistance, and the sensor's functionality. Maytag technical bulletins explain that a defective sensor or a motor with unstable signals can repeatedly trigger the error, and in those cases, replacing the part is the definitive solution. Additionally, some customers say, "The error appeared when I washed just a couple of heavy items," and this gives us another important clue. In the shop, we always say that load distribution and balance directly influence this, because the washer can interpret an imbalance as a motor problem and trigger F6E3. That's why we recommend not overloading the machine or washing very small loads without adjusting the corresponding program.